morning, respected father, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Gosai Rudra from standard 6C. Do you know what is prayer and why we pray? A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. Now I request all the students to stand and take their prayer positions.
Dear friends, I request you to stand up and take your prayer position.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty, and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly, and to move my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom.
Stretch out your right hand and get ready for pledge.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
my
brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country,
and I am proud of
and I am proud of
its rich and varied heritage.
its rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders,
and all elders,
and treat everyone with courtesy.
and treat everyone with courtesy.
I pledge my devotion
I pledge my devotion
to my country and its people.
to my country and its people.
My happiness lies
My happiness lies
in their well-being and prosperity.
in their well-being and prosperity.
Good morning, respected father, sisters and teachers. I am Bhatt Kirtan from standard 6B and I am going to say the thought of the day. Die with memories, not dreams. The meaning of the thought is work hard and strive to fulfill as many wishes you can. I repeat, die with memories, not dreams. The meaning of the thought is work hard and strive to fulfill as many wishes you can. Thank you and have a nice day.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।